So cool.
You want me to video you walking out?
Oh, I almost hit my head on that one.
You guys want some?
Keep your hand flat.
Ooh. And I'm almost kind of crying. I think I'm super emotional for some reason. Have zero idea why, but. All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to TStoneApproved. You guys know, first and foremost, thank you so much for always like, subscribe. But today we're doing something a little bit different, and we have a guest host again today, Miss Shelby Hall from Shelby Hall Off-Road. Now, Shelby, we are somewhere a little bit different today. Can you tell our viewers a little bit about what we're gonna do?
I am so excited. It's been a while actually since I've been out in a UTV. We are going to be part of the first experience at the Rip and Dip Ranch with Sara Price. So we are leaving the hotel today and we get to take her Can-Ams out on an awesome trail ride.
And a big shout out first and foremost, BFGoodrich Tires. Thank you guys for inviting us. So I've been to the place that we're going to in the UTVs. Shelby hasn't yet. I don't think the rest of the journalists and Andrew's been either, but we're going to Oatman. And if you heard about the donkeys and the burros that range free or free range, run wild, that's where we're going. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna take you on an adventure. We're going to Oatman. You're gonna hear some history. We're going to Sara and Ricky's Rip and Dip Ranch. It's gonna be a great time. Stay tuned, guys. Woo! Hi, Sara. I'm giving you a hug. So good to see you. Thank you so much.
I'm excited. We have a really fun day ahead of us, so hope you're ready. It's gonna be tiring, but it's gonna be jam-packed, that's for sure.
So Sara's got us with this really awesome setup. We are here, Shelby and I. We got the rest of the team. So adorable. Let's go find my coffee. Shelby said everybody's is different. Found it. Perfect. Cheers. Made a little pit stop right here. I mean, the Can-Am is just killing it. Never really had a chance to really be in it, but I absolutely love being Shelby Hall's passenger princess. Shelby, how's it been?
So fun.
So
these cars rip. This thing is bone stock. The steering is so light. I just want to go. This thing is super fun. And we're in second place.
And we're in second place behind Sara Price right now. I mean,
we've been putting the heat on her.
We have been. We've been doing it. Normally I wait for Sara at the podium to interview her, but it's kind of fun to chase her down in this. Yep. So close.
Oh my God!
Oh! I did it!
Okay, I'm gonna try.
Oh!
Okay.
All right, Sara, where are we going right now?
We are going into the mine. I've never been in here, so it's super exciting. This is on Gold Digger's property, so this is a special one to get to go in, and I hear it's gnarly.
All right. Is there gold?
There is. Yeah, and you'll see a bunch of fluorites in here. So they look like crystals. Like there will be some amber ones, turquoise, some white. You guys can pick up anything you want. I suggest get it off the ground. Don't pull it off the wall. You don't want anything to come down.
Yeah.
And then we're stuck in there.
And then you're stuck in there.
Or dead.
Or dead.
Pretty much.
Stuck or dead.
All right, let's go have some fun.
Still stuck, but not trying anymore.
All right.
And the only thing you're going to find in here is crickets. There won't be any snakes, scorpions, anything like that.
Okay.
That's good.
Good to know.
That's good news.
So this one still has room for 8 bodies. So
8
don't fall
bodies.
in.
Okay.
Okay.
And you can see the shaft actually goes up to the top as well. So if you just stay to the left, and if you want to look down this hole, the best place to do it is right over here. Just stand here and here, and you can see down
Big
there.
hole on your right, stay left. That would be a day ender.
And when they
That's
did
cool.
this particular mine, that was the original shaft. They went vertical. Down from the top down, and then found the vein here, and then came in from the side and followed the vein back into the mountain.
Crazy.
So if you look, as we go in here, if you just start looking on the walls, you're gonna see all kinds of cool stuff. And if you got any questions, I can answer to the best I can. But pockets like this, where you see a lot of like this crystallization, that's where they really concentrated. So this wasn't a natural pocket. They dug material out of here because this is what the signs of what enriched ore would be, to where they could pull out the gold and silver and stuff. When you see stuff like this when you're mining, you know you were really close to some good material.
That is so cool. So that's where gold would usually be?
Yeah, it takes the same type of pressures and conditions and all that to form these crystals or these
How rad
fluorides.
is that?
I heard there's Tiffany stone in here too.
So good.
You find that, it's mine. No.
No, well that is me. I'm
That's
Tiffany
her last
Stone.
name.
Okay, oh,
But-
that's her last name. Is
But
called Tiffany. I get that.
FYI, guys, Tiffany Stone does exist in Utah only. You can find it stone, and it is called Tiffany Stone, and it's white and purple. The more you know, guys.
The more you know.
The more you know.
So the green is all natural.
It is.
When you
Now
would
you'll
see
find
that,
you're going to find white. You'll find purple. You'll find maroon. If you look close, the most prevalent is going to be the green, and you'll see it everywhere.
Yeah, look at that.
I know that there's some purple around
Isn't
here
that a
somewhere.
fish?
That's where they pulled a lot of material out of.
Want me to go in front of you?
So this wasn't a natural opening here. They actually pulled a lot of this material out and actually ran it because it was high in content of gold. So good work.
So how far does this actually go back?
turn around
Like when you're
now.
done without the cave-in?
It used to go back 980 feet.
980 feet.
That's crazy. That's a huge.
Yeah. So cool.
You want me to video you walking out?
Oh, I almost hit my head on that one.
Mine.
All right, guys, that was a pretty sweet mine tour, and it's like right when you walk out and you're in the rest of this area. Super cool. One of the coolest. Like I was telling Robert that I've been to a few mine tours, but none that you didn't have to pay for and it wasn't commercialized. So real cool. Very, very much T-Stone approved. Thumbs up. Welcome to Oatman, Arizona, a living ghost town frozen in time along Old Route 66. What are we looking at now?
Looking at a bunch
All right, cool. Whole of them. I want to see if I can pet this one. Let's see. Hi, bud. Hi. I know, you're so cute. Adorable. Oh, so cute.
Can you take a picture of me and my pal?
Yeah. All right.
Oh, I didn't know if you meant me. Dude, he doesn't.
Oh,
Yeah, you don't like? See? He's like, nah, I don't.
I'll get you this one. With this one?
You
All right.
all four? I got nothing, but I promise it's something.
All right.
They don't like me.
They don't like you, but I got some good video.
What a
What an ass. Are you getting ice cream? What kind of ice cream are you getting? Oh, what'd you get? Mint chip. Do you want to show her the Clark Gable suite upstairs? Did you know about that?
No.
Do you want me to show you guys?
What is it?
Come this way. So this is the honeymoon suite. The Oatman Hotel was built in 1902 and rebuilt after a devastating fire in 1924. This 2-story adobe building has seen everything from boomtown riches to ghost town silence. But it's one upstairs room that draws visitors from around the world. The honeymoon suite said to have hosted Hollywood legends Clark Gable and Carole Lombard. Now, the story goes that after their 1939 wedding in Kingman, the newlyweds made the winding drive to Oatman for a quiet night away from the spotlight. Locals claim the couple spent their first night as husband and wife right here in this simple but charming suite overlooking the desert. Whether it's fact or folklore, no one can say for sure. There's no record in the hotel's ledger, but the legend has lived on for generations. Now, many believed Gable loved Oatman so much he returned often to play cards and escape the Hollywood rush. And today, visitors swear they still hear laughter and soft footsteps from that very room, a whisper of a love story frozen in time. Now, when you head downstairs, the hotel saloon walls tell a different story. Thousands of dollar bills signed and pinned by travelers, a tradition started by miners who left part of their wages for good luck. Now, the Oatman Hotel may not offer rooms anymore, but it still offers something rare, a glimpse of the Old West where romance, gold dust, and ghost stories still linger in the air.
Hi guys. Hey, I got some green color thingies. You guys want some?
Keep your hand flat. Ooh. Look at how tiny the baby is. Oh, it's so great. Thank you, madame.
There you go.
Cheers.
Cheers.
We did it.
What a day.
What a day.
And it's not even over yet.
And it is not
It's just
over.
The first part.
But we're pretty sweaty.
Very sweaty.
Instead of your shirt that says make dust, it should say make sweat.
You can,
Thank you.
you can open up your windows as well, and your light in there has a fan attached to it. Yeah. Oh,
Perfect. Neat.
There's like a whole nest of them in yours.
Wonderful. Look it. Aw. We got the clean freak too. Love it.
Later.
All right, so after we just checked out Rip and Dip for a little bit, it is time for the dip part of it. Miss Shelby Hall, how are we doing with the dip part of the Rip and Dip?
the dip was amazing. It was so cold, but man, it was so hot out on the trail today. That felt amazing.
Just to let you guys know, I got up to 47 miles per hour. Thank you. But now, checking out the Colorado River, everybody is hanging out. We're all enjoying this.
Much tranquility later.
All right, guys, so we just got out of the water and the boat, and now camp is all set up, which is super cute. Shelby is just coming out of her little tent right there. Andrew is right there. All of the tents are set up. So this is kind of like an ode to Sara and Ricky's like lifestyle with the bivouac and having everything set up. Fire pit's gonna be here, and then right through that fence over here, we're gonna go back down by the water, have dinner, but this is super cute.
This is what dreams are made out of. Like, this is really cool. This is what hard work and dedication leads to. It's
Exactly.
inspiring.
Love it.
It's inspiring for me.
And I'm almost kind of crying. I think I'm super emotional for some reason. Have zero idea why, but it's awesome.
And you went basically 50 miles an hour, which was also inspirational.
Thanks for making me feel better. I did go 50 miles. Almost. No, I did get over.
Yeah.
Oh, I did go over 50 miles per hour in some sections. The really difficult ones, maybe 43 miles per hour. Either way, looking forward to this dinner. It's gonna be awesome, guys.
7:59 a.m.
All right, good morning, everybody. I have zero idea what day it is. I think it's only day 2, but here we are. We did so much yesterday. I do want to say a big shout out to Sara, Rip and Dip, of course, BFG, but I've never asked for an autograph really ever. However, if you guys saw my stories, you saw that I got this really cool monster, and I'm gonna ask Sara to sign this because I want a memory of this, Sara. So let me set this down right here. We're gonna go up a little bit with the camera. So Sara, will you sign this because
Yes, I will.
it's such a great memory to have. This was a lifetime, one in a lifetime experience. Shelby Hall. I'm gonna bring her in. Shelby, you come over here too, because you've been a part of this the whole time. You guys, this has been such a great experience, and I know Shelby wants to have Sara do it as well. It was like core memories unlocked. I really truly enjoyed all the trail rides, Oatman. Sara and I were laughing so hard about things. Shelby and I were laughing so hard. We even came up with a team name, the T-Stone Show. I know that sounds
We
like
are
it's
doing
just
this.
about me, but it's Shelby Hall Off-Road. That's where the show comes from. It's not just T-Stone Show, but T-Stone Show. That's where it is. And then I found this really cool thing in Sara's bathroom. Follow me, guys. All right, so I want to do this when we're here. Shout out to Mitch, though, for creating such an epic dinner yesterday. But he said, whenever you go to the bathroom, look at the black wall. And the black wall has everybody's signature. So, Sara, can I get you to hold this?
I will.
And I will sign. Shelby, you want to sign too? Where do we want to sign? I'm probably
I
gonna...
mean, I like where Kurt's in.
Yeah,
'cause
we're-
I feel like I
Kurt-
saw that every single time.
I saw that every single time. Kurt was
Yeah,
there too.
it is good placement.
I saw Joe Parsons here, so that's pretty cool. Obviously, Black Doug. Shout out to Black Doug, too. Right there. I think I want to go next to Black Doug. I'm going to go here. We're just going to make it TStoneApproved with a little heart. Definitely that TStoneApproved. Thumbs up. Now we've got Shelby, too.
All right.
Oh, make dust.
Cute.
Oh, I love that. So cute.
Love it.
All right, I'll take this back, and we are gonna head out of here. We're gonna do a quick sign off. You guys, I hope you enjoyed this. If you ever get a chance or the opportunity to come to Rip and Dip, you definitely want to do that. Black Doug, I shouted you out.
What's going on?
There he is. There he is.
That's a legend.
All right, guys. So once again, thank you so much for stopping by the channel, TStoneApproved. Here's your chance once again. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. And if you got a suggestion where myself, Shelby Hall, Sara Price should go on another BFG trip, let us know down in the comments.
I'm thinking we should do the Michelin Star Outdoor Experience. What do you guys think?
There we go. The Michelin Star Outdoor Experience. One more gentleman to ask. Andrew Festa, what do you think about that?
We'll see what we can do.
We'll see what we can do. All right, I'll see you guys on in the next one. Bye.